Hey everyone, welcome to another ALEKS tutorial. In this one we're going to be identifying elements with similar valence electron configurations. So this problem asks us to shade all the main group elements for which the neutral atom has a half-filled S subshell. So with the exception of helium, which we are going to move over here into group 2. Every element in the periodic table will fall into 3 different categories. So category 1 is groups 1 and 2, and these are what we call our S elements. And then we have this next group, which are the D elements, and we have this final group, which are the P elements. So all this means is that the final, if you write out 1s2, 2s2, etc., the final outer valence energy level corresponds to these 3 groups. So 1, 2 is our S1 and S2. And then we have in our D group, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, where elements in this area would end with D10. So that's all that this means. And then, of course, for P, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with the N being P6. So if we want a half-filled S subshell, well, the S subshell consists of just 2 electrons. And so a half-filled subshell would just have 1 electron. So we'd be looking at S1 configuration. And as we can see here, S1 configuration corresponds with this group here, and that would be what you highlight. That would be what you shade for this answer. So just for a little bit of extra practice, if it asked you instead of an S subshell, if it asked you for a half-filled, for all the neutral atoms with a half-filled P subshell, a P subshell has a total of 6 possible electrons. So a half-filled subshell would have 3 electrons, which corresponds with P3. So that would be this. All the elements in this group have a P3 configuration, which is a half-filled P subshell. And of course, a half-filled D subshell A D subshell has 10 electrons possible, so a half-filled subshell will have 5, which corresponds with a D5 configuration. D5 is right here, and it would be all these elements. So hopefully this makes sense to you. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.